This is my new 48-inch Hampton Bay Palm Beach ceiling fan in galvanized texture white. And this fan was made in Taiwan. It was not made in China. The thing you're just seeing right away and watching is the downrod being all screwed up, already getting chipped, which that's just not good. I could try to re-texture that with like some liquid white out or something like that. This thing has 5 blades, obviously, reversible from white to a light oak. Today we have the white side of the blades. And something about the Hampton Bay logo, the Hampton Bay symbol on there, it's black with white, whatever you call that. Anyways, without further ado, let's turn it on low. Back in April 2021, back when I was still in middle school, I went on vacation to Florida, and some of you guys might remember if you were ever familiar with the channel during April 2021 or something like that. There was this exact fan in the kitchen area. Except it didn't have the pull chain extender. Anyways, here's medium. Has a good low speed to it. Some of you guys might remember in the unboxing video I did of this fan, the pull chain was quite stiff. As I tried pulling it, it busted apart on the inside of the pull chain switch. And that's a good reason as to why I was definitely right for saving the Encon Georgian from the rental house for parts. I used one of the parts out of that pull chain switch and put it into this one. Now everything works good as new. And it's thundering outside right now. I don't know if this is such a good time to be doing this. And here is high speed. I can feel quite a breeze from my hand there. It's been a very great fan so far. I love it. Just a camera. Well, that is it for this fan with the white blades. Over and out.